In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wise customer support with ease and efficiency. Whether you need quick assistance or a detailed response, knowing how to navigate through Wise's support system can be incredibly beneficial. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to get the help you need. The first step is to head on over to the Wise website. Open your preferred web browser and type in wise.com in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, you'll be greeted with a sleek, user-friendly interface. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on your account logo. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your credentials. Once logged in, the layout may slightly differ based on personal settings. But don't worry, the main features should be accessible after accessing your account. The next thing you'll need to do is find the Help section. This is your gateway to the support services Wise offers. To locate this, hover over or click on the account icon again and you'll pull up a drop-down or side menu where Help is listed. Click on Help and you'll be taken to a dedicated support area brimming with resources you might find helpful. Once in the Help section, scroll through the options until you find Contact Us. This is where you can start tailoring your request to get the most accurate support possible. Clicking on Contact Us will bring up a new selection of options tailored specifically to streamline the process of identifying and resolving your issue. Now, it's time to choose your topic in the list provided. Pick the one that best matches your inquiry or problem. This helps Wise direct you to the right solutions and ensures you're getting the specific help you need. With the topic chosen, the next step is to select the specific issue you're facing. Wise does an excellent job of categorizing problems in a way that both makes sense and helps them provide targeted assistance. Make sure you read through carefully and decide which option closely aligns with your issue. Now, once you have selected your issue, you'll find yourself at a crossroads where you decide how you'd like to communicate with Wise's customer support. Here, you're given options on the channel of communication. If chatting is your preference for real-time assistance and you're ready to engage in a direct conversation online, select Chat. By choosing this option, you're on your way to quickly getting the answers and support you need from a Wise customer service representative. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to solving your issues with Wise's efficient customer support team. Don't forget that being thorough in describing your issue always helps in getting faster, more effective assistance. I hope you found this guide helpful and thanks for watching.